This week at our off-grid Alaska homestead, we're racing against winter to finish our cabin addition. We're talking back-to-back snowstorms dumping feet of snow, plowing at all hours just to keep moving. But between the relentless digging out,
this is a big moment here.
we're framing walls,
This is the last stud.
the northern lights put on a show, and a moose gets way too close for comfort. It's non-stop snow and battling the elements to get this cabin enclosed before the deep freeze hits. Overnight, Alaska hit us with a big snow. We woke up to the cabin being buried and needing to dig out.
Are you ready?
Oh man. Look at how deep, holy cow.
They're calling for snow like this all week, so it's important that we stay on top of the snowfall. If we get behind, we'll be buried.
To the last side.
There we go.
Yeah.
Our pizza is accessible. There we go. Here we go. Come on, Peps, let's go.
This snow was especially deep, and it didn't take me long to get into trouble.
Oh boy.
You're stuck.
Now I've done it. All right, we're gonna need to dig this out. This hill is really tricky to plow because it's super slippery and icy, and you just start skidding sideways. So we're just gonna dig it out and try to move it. I think we'll get it. We'll try to get it here, bud. I'm gonna lift it and pull it this way. There you go. got everything shoveled out and cleared. We did some plowing on the driveway, but over the next few days, we're supposed to get like a storm every single day, dumping, 5 to 10 inches every day. So we're about to be buried out here in the Alaska wilds.
Not too far off, actually, so thanks.
Because
Our
times. Boomer.
talking, then I would pop out, run the bucket, and puke.
Have like tumbleweeds like that hairless cat right in front of you.
Yeah,
It's like you putting in the flour. Marker thing.
Come on, Ben, go. Great. Study on Reddit reveals that children who are ringing firewood are 15 more times likely to be.
The club that says TMS every time you complain.
With the snow cleared and the cabin warming up, it was time to get some work done on our addition.
We've been making really good progress on our interior framing. We got this wall, which is the hard one. It had all the weird cuts and all the tricky angles. And then I built a closet there, framed out for another room here. About to build another closet this morning. And once that's done, I have one more big wall, which is a mirror of that exact wall over there. So I can just rebuild that same wall and do that over here. And then all the interior walls are framed. At that point, it'll be time to do the interior finishes. And we're coming around the bend on this thing, so.
We have a big family, and when we decided to move into this off-grid cabin, we knew pretty quickly we needed more space. So we've been working on this addition since the summertime.
There we go.
Our goal was to have it done before winter hit, but winter's here and we're still not done. So lately we've been working twice as much, late into the night, so that we can take advantage of the additional cabin space through the second half of this Alaska winter.
Dead battery.
Because space is at a premium in this cabin, we decided that in the addition we wanted to have cathedral ceiling. That would allow us to maximize the usable space in the addition. But to have a cathedral ceiling, we were going to need to add some additional framing off of the rafters to make it work for sheetrock, which we plan on putting up in the future. This project has always been a team effort. While some of us are busy making walls, others are busy making homemade crescent rolls.
Alright, croissants finished.
You know what's good? Have a pretzel roll. Oh, yeah. Oh, hot. Hot! It's hot! This is what it's like. I have a bowl, guys. I have a big one.
There. That's what they should have looked like.
But look, I have a big one.
Crescent roll, as they should have been.
Yeah, you look.
Copyrighted. All right, so you're gonna put it up on your X over there, so that's why I have the ladder there for you. Well, I need a ladder too, What happened? This is bad, very, very bad. Should be about there. Come in. Oh yeah, they're great.
We're trying to finish this, so we're working late into the night. And here in Alaska, so is Old Man Winter. In addition to some more snow, tonight we had some high winds and really cold temperatures. We knew we were going to be getting this storm, these high winds, and cold, super cold temperatures. So we brought a ton of firewood in. I got the fire going really nice. We're just going to keep the fire going and keep the wood in and dry, stay warm and cozy, wait the storm out. We hung these hooks over here by the fireplace for when you go out in the snow or in the rain and you get all wet. You can come back in and hang your stuff by the fire, and it dries it out really nicely, really fast. My morning usually starts off letting the dogs out for a walk. I find when there's fresh snow on the ground, I enjoy the morning walk even more. The beautiful glow of the sunrise through the evergreens, and making fresh tracks, exploring with the pups. It's a great way to start the day.
This is my cabinetry install.
Yeah, it's so stupid.
We got this off of Marketplace. We've been using it as like a bathroom stand. But it doesn't fit right now because we've got the washer and dryer in there. So we decided to kind of switch it around and make it covered above the washer and dryer. But I want the drawers on the bottom where it's easier to reach. So what I've done is just flipped it upside down.
Not actually too heavy of a unit either.
No. How dare you diss me? I can make this by myself. Leave the middle one in.
Yeah, no, we'll go off the middle one.
That do it?
Make sure my measurements are right. Always fun. Yeah, I didn't want to get it too close because we got all those pipes.
want to break it.
Oh, that doesn't look bad. Yeah, a couple little cute.
Well, I'm pleased. Didn't have to buy anything new. This one works so well.
It's like the perfect unit.
There we go.
We're back to work in the addition. Because we have cathedral ceilings, we decided that we would take advantage of the extra headroom and build a few lofts. This would give us more storage space and some play space for the little ones.
Square, or the big L square, I should say.
Yes.
Hold it, hold it.
A ladder, we do need a ladder.
Sparkly.
But they call it the Tesla Hydra.
My Gorgiosis. All right, welcome to our storage loft. So this is our Arctic entry here, and I've got this really nice storage loft where we can put like seasonal storage. So if it's summer, we can put winter stuff up here. Almost 4 feet wide. It's just shy of 4 feet. It's like 44 inches, and it's 90 inches across. So it's a really good size storage. It just gets you a lot more usable space.
With the lofts built, now it's time to frame for doors.
Right now here in Alaska. If we want to chill something, we just put it outside for a little while. We get nice and cold. There we go. Let them chill.
This is when you have an Alaska YouTube channel, it's 2 in the morning and there's an aurora. You get dressed in your warm clothes and you come out and you film it. And you take like 30 different shots, so you have different aurora shots to use for future videos. I like filming the aurora. It's a challenge trying to capture the colors and the scenery around, get the lighting right. It's a fun thing to do, and the best part about it is you're out at like 2 in the morning in the wilderness of Alaska. It's so quiet. Listen to, I mean, all I can hear right now is maybe some coyotes in the background. Okay, I think today I'm going to be finished with the interior framing. So let me take you through what we've done, and then I'll show you what we're doing today and what I hope to get accomplished. So we got here, we framed up this wall. This is our first big wall. We have a loft up here. We're going to be using that for like winter storage. Then we got our hallway here. So that's where we're gonna come in from the Arctic entry and we can access every room. We got a nice room here, beautiful window, nice view. Right now it's kind of a view of the outhouse, but eventually we'll move the outhouse and the compost pile. This is a little bit of a pantry space here that we framed up. And then we come to this room, which has nice 2 windows, beautiful view, nice sun coming in the windows, warming things up. It's cold in here today. It's so cold out. It's been just like 0 degrees outside, and we have not been heating this space because I'm working in here, and when I'm working I get kind of warm. So capture some MIDI footage. On this side.
That'll be the last.
And when your thing gets here, which it will eventually. Look it the other way. There you go. Yep. This piece here is almost off. Okay, hold on, we gotta snap the lines.
What are
You're
we
gonna
doing?
teach. Don't yet.
This is the hard one.
Sure. If you're pushing mommy and I'm pulling, there we go. There we go, kid.
Don't fall. Don't tell me. So cool.
Okay. Mommy's got your boots.
This big.
Okay, hold on to that. Stop. Put your arms around my neck. From far side of that one. Plants that look
We hold stuff.
We were almost done with the framing, but there was another job I had forgotten to finish that really needed to be done. A few weeks back, I had cut the entry into our addition in the cabin wall, but I had not completed the arch on top.
No.
It's a national
No.
dress like a beetle while doing construction day. I'm embarrassed to tell you how many times I hit my head on this corner, and I was tired of it. So I decided today to take a little detour from the framing and finish the arched entry.
Mama, sweet girl.
That was a dirty job.
And I'm even dirtier.
Another snowstorm rolled in, which is okay. I love it when it snows because it gives me an excuse to get outside, breathe the fresh air. Because it's snowing so much now, I try to stay on top of the plowing, make sure I move the snow even if it's just a couple inches. As it seems with it snowing on and off almost every day, it'll pile up really quick if I get lazy. Okay, good morning. I was just about to go out and do my generator stuff. I shining my light as I'm walking out the door here, and I see this pair of eyes glowing back at me. And it is that big moose right there. Now this moose, what is wrong with you? Come on. Come on, Pop. Come on. Up, up, come on. Come on, Pop. This is nuts. I've not seen this before. Oh, there's another. There's two moose out here. Okay, holy cow. There's one right there. You stay with me. Hey, come on, Pup. Come. You stay with me. This is crazy.
Goodbye. Goodbye,
This time of year, the moose are looking more and more for food. And as you can see, I'm kind of in the middle of a project right now. But they have been getting very close to the cabin. This morning I had a run-in with a
moose over there, and like, look at how close they are. I mean, we've never seen them get this close, and I'm a little bit worried because like they can definitely damage some stuff.
I think the moose knew that it was a beautiful day to take a walk. So later on, when the moose were long gone, we decided to do the same. It's easy to get cabin fever right now, being stuck inside the small cabin throughout the snowstorms. So when the sky clears and the sun comes out, we try to get outside, soak up the sun's rays, and enjoy watching the Alaska wildlife. And today there was plenty to see.
This last part of this job has felt like just an eternity. We are finishing up all the little framing to prep for sheetrock. So anywhere like this spot here where the rafters come into contact with rim joists and there's going to be pockets where sheetrock could break, I have to put pieces of wood to support everything. And oh man, it is just the most mind-numbingly slow, boring work for 2 hours. Looks like you didn't do anything kind of work. But I'm at the last of it today. I've been putting this part off for the longest because it is the hardest, and I don't like eating frogs. That'll work. Yep, that'll work.
At this point, we're almost done framing. Have a little bit of button-up work to do. I needed a couple more studs, a few more cripples.
This is a big moment here. This is the last stud of this whole entire cabin addition project. I have put up studs for the exterior walls. We have framed the entire interior. We've done all the supports for the lofts. This is the last stud. It's an important piece and it's the last one. Let's put this thing in. The last stud, the last cripple, the last
Finishing up all the framing for the interior of the addition, it seemed like a good time to celebrate. And what better to celebrate with than a homemade apple pie?
Yeah, I don't. I certainly don't want to be back there.
No, you'll have to do it.
Right here, you just.
I have a rolling pin we can use. No, that's not.
No, I whacked it.
I mean, I guess that worked.
What's it like?
Mission accomplished.
You pick me up. Somebody pick me up. No.
I need this. Uh-huh.
You're playing a fun game, but I just want to let you know. Look at these cuddly cats. They're so cute.
Hey, look at this cuddly cat, so cute.
Oh, that's a cuddly one
I
too.
know what to do.
She said they're the best price. It's coming together pretty good.
Finger going because it's such a like thing. But like, I like waking up and having a. Concentrating on something, you often will leave your mouth wide open. Right here. Okay, after this. Is that clear?
Alright, I got it.
If I go, it will.
Circles are in, kid. Polka dots. No?
Because I don't have polka dots on.
We say sorry just to share.
Come with me. Let's get out there. We make some.
Annoyed by things. And she'd just be doing this, and that's clearly. Like a giant toaster strudel from Mickey D's.
Yeah, it does look like a McDonald's pie.
Oh, baby.
Apple pie? I want some apple.
Not now.
You're nice. Two.
She wants you to put them on her.
I just put them on.
Yeah, baby. You're rocking, baby.
All I need is a rubber to go like this.
If this is your first time watching a Homesteady video, go back and start this Alaska series at the beginning. Click on this video to go back to the very beginning. When we bought this off-grid cabin, it looked so much different then. Start the series from the beginning and catch up while you wait for the next episode to come out.